Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to see the problem number third of educational code forces round 122. So in this, the description is long, so I am not going to read all of them. I will tell you the main points of the question. So in this, we have a character and a monster, and we have given their health power and attack power of both monster and character, and they will fight. Uh, And what is the steps of the fight is character can attack the monster or monster can attack the character. So whoever attacking other can decrease their health by the amount of their attack power. For example, if the character attacks the monster, then he can decrease the monster's health by his attack power, which is DC. If the character's attack power is DC, and if he is attacking monster, then monster's health will be decreased by DC, and the same goes for monster also. So in the end you have to tell which one is going to win, and if anyone have the health power become non-positive first, then they will lose. Okay, so you have to tell in the end who will going to win. And one more thing is added in this question is that you have k coins, and you can use up to k coins, and after giving exactly one coin, character can increase his attack power by W or health power by A. So after using up to k coins, you have to tell who is going to win. If character is going to win, then print yes. If no, then print no. So let's see how are we going to do this question. So let's say this is our character and this is our monster. So he has some health power, let's denote it by H1, and some attack power which is P1, and for monster it is H2 and P2. So initially let's forget about K. Let's say K is 0, we don't have any coins. So in this, how you are going to calculate who is going to win. So the health power, if the health power of character becomes non-positive first, then the monster will win, else the character will win. So let's say, for example, if the health power for this is 100 and the attack power is for this is 1, and the health power for monster is 45 and the attack power is 2. So in the first step, character will attack. Initially, the fight will start by the characters attacking the monster, and it will go on. Okay, first character, then monster, first character, then monster. So initially, character will attack the monster, and it will decrease monster's health by 1, which is his attack power. So this will be 44. In the second step, monster will decrease the health power of character by 2, so it will be 98. Okay, so if they continue this step, he will decrease his health power by 1 in every step, and he will decrease his health power by 2 in every step. So we just have to look who is making the health power of another 0 or non-negative first. So in this, his health power is, his attack power is 1 and the monster's health is 44. So how many steps he will need to make his health power 0 or less than 0? So it is 44 divided by 1, which is 44. So in 44 steps, he can make his health power less than equal to 0. And what about monster? So the health power for character is 98 and the attack power of monster is 2. So let's divide it. So it will be 49. So monster can make the health power of character 0 or equal to 0, less than 0 in 49 steps. So what we can conclude from here is that character can make the health of monster 0 in 44 steps, and monster can do the same in 49 steps. So character can do it fast. So in that case, character will win. So that's all. We have to do it in this question. So let's see how we can do if we have K coins. Okay. So let's increase first 0 times the attack power of the character and K minus 0 times the health power of the character, and see who is going to win from them by doing this. And in the next step, let's increase the attack power of the character by 1 and health power of character by K minus 1, and then see who is going to win. And in the next step, increase this and decrease this and see, and you are going to do it up to this goes to K and this goes to 0. And if any of this step, in any of this step, if the number of steps needed for character to win is less than the monster, then he will win, otherwise he will lose. So let's see the code for better understanding. So this is the health power of character and attack power of character, and S2 and P2 is for monster, and this is K, number of coins we have, and this is the attack power. After using the coin we can add, and this is health. Okay, so I have inputted all the information and I am iterating from 0 to K. So what is NA and NB is, NA is my new health of the character and NB is new power of the character. So I am adding I into health into my new health and K minus I into attack into my new attack power. So this will become my new health and this will become my new power. So this answer 1 is for number of steps for character to win, and answer 2 is number of steps for monster to win. So this is health power of monster divided by attack power of the character. Let's not see this, and answer 2 is NA, which is the health power of the character, and P2 is attack power of the monster. Okay, and what is that is, let's see here. If let's say character's health power is 5, okay, and attack power of the monster is 7, then what will be the number of steps? 5 divided by 7, which is 0, but the number of steps will be 1, because to make it 0, monster needs to use 1 step, okay, to make his power make his health power minus 2. So the minimum answer will be 1. Okay, and let's say if this is 8 and this is 7, so in this case 8 divided by 7 will be 1, but in reality one one move will require to decrease the health power by 7, and after that the one will remain. So for that he will need another step. So if there is a reminder, then we will add 1. If there is no reminder, we don't add 1. So this is what, if there is a reminder, then plus 1 in both of them, and if there is no, then not add anything. So if the number of steps for character is less than number of steps of monster, then print yes, and after all the iteration, if this condition is not reached, then just print no. So let's see the test cases. The answer is yes, no, yes, yes. Okay. So yeah, yes, no, yes, yes. So I will leave this code into the description. Hope you understand the problem.